everyone, today we're going to be talking about how to open and close the lid of a Systech MediaPrep, as well as how to properly remove and replace the bucket. So to open the lid, we'll wait till the system says ready on the touch screen and then press open. Once the door opens, we'll see on the lid of the system we have the removal port and the flexible temperature probe. Whenever we're taking the bucket out, we want to make sure to be careful of these two items because the temperature probe could possibly be crimped and the removal port could be damaged. So when we're about to take the bucket out, I just lift these items out of the way, grab the bucket by its handle, and lift it out just like this. There are two main instances where the bucket would be removed. The one is for a cleaning cycle. The bucket and stir bar should be removed for every time you complete a cleaning cycle. The bucket could also be removed when you're going to empty the remaining contents of it in a sink. If you're about to dump the bucket into a sink, we'll want to make sure to remove the stir bar before emptying the bucket into a sink. Inside of the bucket, there's a needle where the stir bar rests. If we try to dump out the bucket when the stir bar is still in position, it could potentially break this needle. So it's very important to remove the stir bar before you empty the contents into a sink. Whenever you're putting the bucket back, make sure to put the stir bar back into position with the flat side going down. And then you'll see around the bucket we have spacers on either side, so it can really sit inside of the MediaPrep in any orientation. So again, I'll just move the removal port and temperature probe out of the way and then set the bucket back into the MediaPrep. And then to close the lid, I'll make sure the temperature probe and removal port are out of the way. And then to close it, I'll just apply some pressure until I hear the locking pin click into position.